This is a guide on how you can compare different versions of an asset on Niimblr. All previous versions are available, ensuring that everyone is viewing the newest version. Comparing versions on Niimblr is possible for all file types except videos. To add a new version to an existing asset, open the asset and click on Add Version. Upload the newly updated file by browsing or dragging it directly to the platform. Adding a note on the new version can facilitate smoother collaboration. For example, it can provide a trail of notes to track changes across each new version. Press Upload, and you will see a pop-up confirming that your new version is uploaded. Choose to place this new version into the Ready for Review stage and assign an approver. Comparing versions makes it easy to inspect changes made to the same asset. For instance, select two versions of the same image and choose the version numbers you want to compare on each side of the screen. The slider allows you to transition between viewing one version and another. You can also change the slider position from vertical to horizontal. Once a new version is created, only the newest version can be commented on going forward. Previous versions are available as supporting elements, but cannot be actively commented on. However, if not marked as resolved, comments from older versions remain visible.